Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable the 144Hz refresh rate on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to use higher refresh rate, we need to open settings. In the settings, you want to go to display and brightness, and then over here, if you scroll down, then you should be able to find refresh rate over here. And if you go to refresh rate, then you can set it to custom, and over here, if you have refresh rate, you can tap on this option in order to choose up to 144Hz. Of course, we have the default option as well, which also uses 144Hz refresh rate. However, it is of course based on a specific scenarios. If there is a good balance between performance and power consumption, then the device will use 144, and if not, then it will reduce the refresh rate. However, if you set it to custom, then for instance, instead of forcing 60 Hz, then you can still use up to 144. I believe that the device will still drop the screen refresh rate when needed, when it is reasonable to do so. So you cannot, it seems like you cannot really force to always have 144Hz refresh rate. However, this is one of the options that allow you to use it as often as possible. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.